Jessknotty.
Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today, you guys, I'm finally doing this wig review. I've been waiting forever to do this, but I haven't had the right time. I've been so busy. Janet Collections sent me a wig to review. Normally I don't wear lace fronts except for when I'm going on vacation or for a special occasion or something like that. But today is one of those special occasions. You guys, I have not opened this. I've been waiting for you guys. I've been waiting for this video. I've been waiting for this day to open this up. And let's see how it looks. If you haven't already, go ahead and check out my video on how I laid down my wig cap. This video is a part 2 of me installing my lace frontal wig. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright, so it says that it's pre-plucked already. So it's pre-plucked, pre-customed, and natural hairline. I mean, it doesn't look like my hairline because I got that little rectangle thing going on. I got that, you know, I got a different hairline. I don't got that U-shaped hairline. She comes with 3 clips and these elastic pieces in the back on both sides. This is her. It's pretty long. All right, let's put her on. This wig did not fit tight at all. I did have a little bit of space in there, but for those of you who do like your wigs to be tight, as I mentioned before, there are combs and elastic bands on this wig, so you can adjust it to your liking. Right now you see me cleaning up the part, but later on in the video I'm gonna put the part somewhere else. I'm taking my Gots to Be freeze spray and I'm spraying my hair and drying in sections. Now that I'm done drying the front of my lace, I'm gonna go ahead and trim off the unwanted pieces of the lace. Now that I'm done cutting, I'm just going to go ahead and wipe down the front of my hairline with some alcohol to get rid of any type of residue. Alright, so this is how she came out looking. She is a little bit long. It feels nice and fluffy. I think I did a good job. I think she looks good. I like it. Alright, so I went to go play with her to see, you know, what part and I like better. And I think I like the middle part better. Don't mind me, you guys. I'm just trying to get the feel of this hair. And I think that this kind of goes good with it. So this is how she looks after I'm done. I put a little bit of foundation where the hairline is. She did come with a tape for the lace line, I didn't use that. I did end up using the Got To Be glue, as you guys seen at the beginning of my video. The card says that she has a transparent lace for a seamless blend with any skin tone or color. The lace is 13 inches by 6 inches, and the parting space is for styling and versatility. She comes with a pre-plucked natural density hairline for a realistic appearance, added baby hairs to complement the look, soft Swiss lace, perfect for any meltdown with any lace adhesive. Alright, so this is the card that I was reading from. This is the front. I'm gonna tell you guys the pros and cons of this lace wig of Miss Lynette. So the pros is I like the length of the hair. It's almost down to my butt. And I'm 5'5", so it's pretty long. The parting is versatile. I can wear a middle part or a side part. I like the fact that the baby hair that they did pre-part isn't too short, so I can have the option of baby hairs or not, which right now, of course, I prefer not to. I do like that the lace comes from ear to ear. It wasn't too hard for me to cut and melt down the lace. It blended in pretty well. I didn't pluck the hairline just because I wanted you guys to see how thick it was, and I didn't mess with the baby hairs or anything like that. Maybe when I wear this again, I'll cut the baby hair. I like that the lace isn't thick, it's very thin. So now I'm gonna tell you guys the cons. I didn't like that the edges weren't pre-plucked. They are pretty thick. I don't know if you guys can see, like, it's pretty thick for me, and that was the only thing that I really didn't like about it. But like, I really like the hair. But I do want to thank Janet Collection for sending me Miss Lynette. I hope to try another hairstyle. I'll try something a little shorter or maybe natural, I'm not sure. But this was good for my first selection. I'm happy I chose this. You guys let me know what y'all think down below in the comment section. And let me know if I could have done something different while applying this lace. Because like I said, I'm not that good at lace wigs. Thank you for watching, you guys. On your way out, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see some more reviews or hair content. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.